back to the channel, and for those who don't know, my name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and in a nutshell, I use Photoshop to design cool cars. In today's video, I'd like to show you another client project and how a rendering can be utilized to turn an idea into reality, and also kind of a little sneak peek into my design process. In this case, I'm working on one of my longtime clients, Rosso Corsa Ferrari 488. I'll put his Instagram handle here and also in the description if you want to check him out. I've been fortunate enough to work on a couple of his past McLarens and now his 488. So he wanted a simple stripe design to add some distinction to his car and also accent the gold of his Strasse wheels. So my methodology while designing these stripes was to tie in the gold from the wheels into the stripe design, but not too much to still allow the wheels to speak for themselves. After presenting a few different ideas and collaborating back and forth, Adrian ultimately decided on the thinner gloss black stripes with gold pinstriping that wraps around the front Ferrari badge, flows over the roof, and terminates on the rear deck lid just before the third brake light. In the renderings, you'll also notice that I added the same Strasse wheels for a holistic view of what it would look like once completed. Long story short, the renderings were then presented to Superior Auto Design, who did a super clean install of the stripes. They always do amazing work. What's neat is I was able to see the car at Palm Beach Cars and Coffee the other week. I didn't even know the car was going to be there, so that was a nice surprise. So I'd like to thank the owner, Adrian, for allowing me to work on this design for his 488, and also give a shout out to Strasse Wheels and Superior Auto Design. If you'd like more information about my services, feel free to comment below or email me at monacautodesign@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Also, feel free to give this video a like if you liked it, and also subscribe for more videos. I really do appreciate it. I think we're almost at 400 subs now, which is pretty awesome, so thank you for that. Thanks once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time.